Hi everyone, this is my third task with Oasis Infobyte of Python programming, that is random password generator. Here, the random password generator is a software program that takes input from a random numbers and automatically generates a password. Here, we are going to create a password manager that will allow us to generate passwords within a minimum length. Now, let's look into the code. Here, we're also allowing the user to set if they want the password to contain the special characters, numbers, and ASCII letters. Here, we are importing two modules, that is string as well as in random. These modules, first, let's know about random. Random is a module that is it is an inbuilt module of a Python that is used to generate a random numbers. That means it will pick randomly. And second is string. String is a module that provides several constants, functions, and classes. It also includes a set of string concepts such as ASCII letters, digits, and punctuation marks. Here we have important string and as well as a random module. Now we are defining a function, that is a generate password. We are generating a password with the parameters, that is minimum length and number is equals to true and the special characters. Here we are going to use a string to grab all the lowercase uppercase letters that exist and special characters and as well as the numbers. Here I'm defining S1 is equals to string dot ASCII letters. The ASCII letters consisting of all the lowercase letters and as well as the uppercase letters. And S2 is a string that consisting of digits. And S3 is a string that consisting of all punctuation marks. Next, we have defined the function. Now, the character is equals to S1. We are taking the character is equals to f1 with the if condition, that is if numbers character plus is equals to s2, and if special character plus is equals to f3. This means if if the variable number is equals to true, then we are including all the numbers and digits which are present in the string that are added to the character, that are added to this character. And next, same as well as if the special characters are true, then we are adding to the characters. Next, next we are generating a password. Here first we have given the password is an empty and it does not consisting of anything, and we are setting a criteria, that is meets criteria to a false, and has number is equals to false and special characters as well as false. After this we are creating a loop, that is while not meets a criteria or the length is less than a minimum length. First we have created a meets criteria is equals to false, and next we are creating a while that is not meeting the criteria. So if these two condition true, these two conditions are true, then we are going to continue and it will generate a new character, that is new character is equals to random dot choice characters. This random function, as I've imported the random module, this random it will randomly pick some of the characters. Password plus or is equals to new character. Here it will randomly select the characters from the characters. Now next, if new character in S2 is defined as digits, then it has the numbers is equals to true, and else if new character is equals to S3 is nothing but special characters, has special is equals to true. Now we are setting the has numbers and as well as has special characters is equals to true. Here we add that the password, and we determine if the new character has a numbers, then it will have uh, number equal to true. Here I have said the number is equal to true. If the same as the special characters, if it has a special character, then it is equals to true. Next, meets criteria. Here, the meets criteria is true. That means we should include a number. But if we don't have a number, the meets criteria is equals to false. If we have a number, then the meet criteria is equals to true. Here, if number meets criteria is equals to has a number, and as well as if special characters, the meets criteria is equals to meet criteria and has a specials. All the meets criteria is true, so it has a numbers and as well as it has a special characters. Next, it will return the password. This is all about how the password should contain the characters or special characters and numbers, asking letters, everything with a meets criteria and meets criteria and not meets criteria, sorry. And now lastly, uh, minimum length is equals to int input enter a password length. So as I told you in the first, we are setting that the user should know, the user wants the password to contain the special characters or not, numbers or not. So here enter a password length. First we need to know the password length from the user. Next, has numbers input, that is if the user want the numbers or not, why or no, that is yes or no. The special characters, if the user want the special characters or not, why or yes, I mean yes or no. And lastly, the generated password will show, that is it will print your password is. Now let's run the code. See, enter the password length. Now I'm entering the length as 10. Do you want numbers? It's asking me if I want the numbers or not. Yes, I want the numbers. Do you want any special characters? I don't want any special characters. See, this is his password. The password is MZ8 BOWO1ES. It only consisting of the ASCII letters and as well as the numbers, because I've given I don't want any special characters. This is all about the random password generator. Thank you.